Hi everyone, welcome to RJ Fashion Haul. How are you guys? I'm good. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, this video is all about Mamaearth products. I use Mamaearth products and they made a difference in my face. So I thought I have to make this video. And yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. Before entering into the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload the video. Please like and share this video to friends and family members. Yeah, and I made clothing, shopping, lookbooks, and different kind of videos. So please do watch my videos. I'll give few of the links in the pop-up above and few of the links in the description below. Yeah, I use Mamaearth products and they made a lot of difference to me on my skin, and I love their products. I fell in love with their products. Yeah, they had paraben and SLS free products. Yeah, this is I'll start with the face wash. This is Mamaearth Ubtan face wash with the turmeric and saffron. Yeah, this is also paraben and SLE free. And this suits for all types of skins, for dry, combination, oily skin, and this suits for all types of this was mentioned here on it suits for all types of skin. My skin is a very dry skin and it's a combination skin because I had under eye and here some darkness, so mine is a very combination skin. For my skin also this suits perfect. I use this one, and for those who want to do, I mean who don't want to go to parlor and who want to make their facial by own, then I will recommend these products. If you buy these two products and you can make your facial at home by yourself. It's very simple, and these are also very very good kind of products. You can use it very easily. And first you can wash your face with this face wash, and you can take a little amount and you can wash your face, and after cleaning this you can use this face scrub. This face scrub is also of turmeric and walnut combination. Yeah, I'll open it and show you. This scrub is also, you can easily scrub. This also this is the I opened this one. This is a face scrub. Yeah, this is a scrub product. Yeah, you can easily scrub with this product. This, I mean, with this cream. You can gently massage with this cream. Yeah, I massage with the scrub here. You can see a difference here. Yeah, this is the face scrub, and after using scrub, and all the directions are mentioned back here. You have to apply adequate amount of face scrub on wet face. For scrub you have to make your face wet and you have to use this scrub. I know everyone know how to use scrub these days, but I'm just give simple brief explanation for using these products. And Yeah, scrub on wet face and neck. Massage gently with your fingertips and in a circular motion. When you are using scrub, you should not scrub your skin hardly. It will definitely damages your skin. So whenever you are using not only this scrub, whatever the scrub you are using, you have to gently scrub your skin, and you have to rotate in a circular a circular way, not in here in irregular ways. You have to scrub your face in a circular motion, and concentrate scrubbing for your forehead, nose, chin. Rinse off water and pat dry. Use at least twice a week for best results. You have to scrub it for your face and for your neck. By taking a little amount of scrub, it is a little amount is enough. And after using this scrub you can use this face mask. This is Mamaearth Ubtan face mask with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. And I ordered a face wash in turmeric and saffron, and face scrub with the turmeric and walnut. By using this scrub you can remove your tan also. Here it is a tan removal. And this time I didn't get a chance to go to parlor, so I ordered this product, and I used for only one use. I had a difference in my face, so I thought I should definitely make this video, because for such a, I mean, for a budget friendly facial, this is a budget friendly facial. Even if you go to the parlors, you will for basic facials you will be charged around 500 to minimum 500, I think, minimum 500 to 800, and it go on. So if you order all these products, and you can do your facial at home for so many times, and you can use this face wash also for your regular purpose whenever you want to use you can't buy another product. This face wash is one face wash is enough. So I thought these are multi-purpose and budget friendly. And this face wash cost is 249 rupees, and face scrub is for 350 rupees, and this mask is face mask is for 499 rupees. So altogether, if you order all these products, then you can get it all for 1100 rupees. And for 1100 rupees, you can do facial at your home for so many times. I think it will get so many times for a facial. And yeah, if you use cash karo app, then you can get more cash back, and you can get all these products for more cheaper prices. These products are I thought these my first review in my YouTube channel. And if you want to do any product reviews, Mamaearth, or different whatever the products you want to review, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, these such a combo. These are available single pieces. I mean, you can buy only face wash and only face scrub also, or else if you want, you can buy the combo also. This combo is also available in Amazon and few other online stores. So I'll search where the combos are available, and I'll give the single piece single piece links also in the description box. Yeah. If you want, you can use only mask also. You can wash your face, and you dry your face, and you can use the face mask only. For using mask also, you will get a difference. Yeah, surely you will get the difference. And your skin looks very bright and very fair after using this mask, and your face has a nice glow only for this mask also. So you can use these products individually, or else you can use this as a combo, as a facial also. For sudden, I mean, if at all you have to go suddenly, then this mask is also very helpful at that time. And this one is of I already told that this is a skin lightening and brightening face wash and face mask. And here also it was mentioned it is paraben free and silicone free. Yeah, and this is the product, and it was mentioned it is anti-aging, lightens and brightens skin. This is not only skin brightening, it also useful for anti-aging cream also. Yeah, it has a multi-purpose use. And this one, there is a scrub, and this scrub removes skin tan, gently exfoliates, promotes even skin tone. If at all anyone has my type of combination skin, then this will be very useful, because it promotes even skin tone, means it will give even type of skin. Yeah. And yeah, this is the face wash. Coming to the face wash, it has a natural ingredients, repair sun damage and lighten skin. I thought I have to use all these products, and I ordered these. Yeah, uh, I think I covered all the details regarding these products. If at all I miss anything, please let me know in the comment section. And if you already used these products, let me know in the comment section how the results are. And if you want to do, if you want me to do more reviews of Mamaearth products, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make a review of the products which you want. Yeah, that's it, my review of Mamaearth facial kit. I can say that this is a facial kit. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you'll definitely enjoy this video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload the video. Please like and share this video to friends and family members. Yeah, follow me on Instagram and Facebook pages. I'll provide those links in the description box. That is for today's video. I hope you definitely enjoy this video. Keep smiling, stay tuned, bye bye, see you in the next video.